Hi friends, whenever you meet any enlightened person or whenever you meet any gurus or any great people, enlightenment means radiating the aura, lot of energies overflowing from them. So how to meet? What is the preparation to meet is first thing is more and more meditation. 1 week before onwards, we need to raise our frequency levels so much energetically when you meet. That's where you can receive tremendously to the next level. Okay, wherever any enlightened persons are there, what we need to do is we need to keep on sharing the energies to them and keep on receiving energy. Receiving and sharing will complete the cycle. It's not only the receiving, it's not only the sharing. Receive and share, both together. So whenever we are in the process of receiving a lot and sharing, we need to do this process with our family members, co-meditators. Whenever we meet any co-meditator, definitely whenever when you are doing it continuously every day, then when you are with the enlightened person, then it will be, you can see the difference. Radiation of enlightenment happening around them every time. A lot of energy is there. You can sense it when you are doing regularly. In a day-to-day life, you need to keep on share our energies with our family members, colleagues, and co-human beings, co-masters, animals, trees. Keep on sharing and receiving. And we need to do this process until our aura expands to the total universe, and we start feeling the oneness with everything. In the oneness, there is no receiving, no sharing, only the oneness, only one with everything. It's one with the whole universe and beyond. So we need to feel that oneness with the whole and keep on feeling that oneness, extending that oneness throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the year, throughout the life. So keep doing this process. Whenever you meet a great master, you will know that, oh wow, I'm sharing. The moment I'm sharing, I'm receiving 1,000 folds. That's an enlightened person. Whenever you share, you start receiving 1,000 times more, and again receive again and again, share that 1,000 times more, and you receive 1,000 to the multiplication of 1,000, 10 lakhs times more, and again you receive and again share, and it will be again 1,000 more times. So 100 crore times, and keep on 100 crore times. It will be powerful. You will be receiving the energies. If you can balancedly, continuously do that, your energy will be expanding to the whole universe and beyond, and you will feel the oneness with the whole. Okay, for this one, you need to always practice this technique with everyone in the world, especially the trees, nature. Okay, nature also little bit lesser than the enlightened state. That's what I feel. I was seeing little bit lesser. So when you are working with your energies, when you are sharing the energies with the nature or one tree, and receiving and sharing, then definitely that tree will get enlightened first. Enlightenment, it is also sharing a lot of energies. Some old trees, they are already having enlightened aura. When you go near to the tree, you'll feel amazing energies. Profound. It is showering a lot of energies. Still, the frequency is lesser than the enlightenment, whatever usually. But when you're sharing that, then it will raise its frequency. First, the trees will raise its frequency. Then, amazing, whole next level, a beautiful energy process, expanding process happens. Through that, oneness happens, friends. Keep on receiving and sharing the energies, and keep on expanding yourself, and use the deep breath process. Okay, for example, if you do not have time for meditation, morning to evening, you're having lots of work and any other things, then keep on be with the relaxed breathing, deep and little bit deeper breathing. Slow exhalation is the key. When you're doing slow exhalation, then automatically you take a lung full of air comfortably. Not too much slow, not too much fast. Comfortably relax and energizing breath. Completely slow exhalation. Then automatically you take good amount of air in the lungs. So that kind of a slow, and also you are enjoying the process. It's not like too much slow means you will be tired some. We should be taking certain energy, that certain every breath we are receiving energy, and the slowing down the breath and little bit deeper breath happens naturally. It's not intentionally deep breathing. When you're doing slowly, then automatically lungs capacity full. We take the air. Okay. Using that technique, keep on energizing yourself with the intention that let my energies be highest when I meet the Enlightened Master. If you keep that intention and practice for a week, then your energies are multiplying. Then when you meet an enlightened person, amazingly, whole different process, whole next level, different process happens, friends. So, and also, whenever we see any enlightened persons, when you're taking the breath, receiving the energies from the universe and also the other enlightened persons' energies and consciousness and the state, consciousness state and wisdom also you're receiving with the breath. And when exhalation you are sharing with the whole universe. That process, receiving and sharing process, practice that. Whenever you see any enlightened person, any great gurus or anyone, we need to do this process. Keep on receiving and keep on sharing the energies to the enlightened persons. When you share, automatically they will be also receiving, and their aura and universe, they knows it, and they can multiply it to the 1,000 times, and they can give it back to you. So that formula will be applicable, friends. So utilize this formula and keep on expanding and keep on settle down in the oneness. Oneness is the highest. Stay in the oneness. Wish you all the best. Thank you.